Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is TK. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and become part of this family. Thank you to you, my returning subscriber. It's good to see you here once again. So today is just a simple update. I'm back with this video to tell you about my the upgrades that I have done in the recent past, so that you can get better and give you excellence in our videos, so you enjoy the viewership and you enjoy every clip that we upload. So first of all, I want to thank everybody who stands with me and everybody who supports my ministry in music and also my coaching, all my students and everyone that we have met in the recent past and in the longest time. I just want to say thank you for being a part of this family. Thank you for being part of this channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you to my sponsors. Thank you to everyone who has participated. Like for today, I want to say special thanks to one of you that recently I did a video and it was not so clear on the audio part and also on the video part, and one of you reached out and was willing to sponsor and to participate in what I do. And thank you to everyone who really wants to see the best out of us and the best out of me. I am so grateful. May God bless you so much on my behalf. Okay, so today we are going to unpack, we are going to unbox. First of all, we have the privilege of getting ourselves a ring light, the 22 inches ring light, and also we got ourselves a good microphone. So we are going to unbox the 22 inches ring light. It's right here. Thank you so much to you. Thank you for participating in being a part of TK music ministry. So I will go straight to it so that I show you how it's like. I show you everything that is in it, and assure you that moving forward we are going to have excellence. So let's unbox this ring light. This is a 22 inches ring light, and I bought it in Nairobi, Kenya, where I am. I know it is everywhere. It's also on Alibaba. This is how it looks like. Hello. This is a 22 inches ring light, and you're going to do the testing right now so that you can enjoy the view, enjoy the lighting, and it's so beautiful, it's so wonderful, and I love it. It's big enough. It's going to give us excellence in what we are looking for with things pertaining to excellence in lighting, and it comes with goodies attached to it. So first and foremost, let me show you what else we have. We have this phone holders. Yeah, so if I need to use my phone, I can use as many as three phones. Actually 4, because it also comes with a stand. This is the bag. The packaging is wonderful. I loved it. This is a tripod. This is the stand. So you attach it. Let me get the packaging out. So we are going to attach this one to this one here. So this is the stand. So it also has a mini stand. This mini stand, it's very nice for the phone. It's a very good phone holder. This is the phone holder that you attach here. So anytime I don't want to use the camera, I just want to use my phone, then I don't need all these big things. I can just go on and attach this head to the stand here. So you connect this one to this one, just right. I'll just show you how it's done in just a while, yeah. So when I attach it here, then I can put my phone here, and I am ready to go. I just place it on the desk, and I'm ready to go. Woo, I'm excited. This is going to give me a lot of excellence in my videos and in my vlogs. So this is the remote control. for the light. Yes, you can change the brightness, you can change the color of the light. This is its work, yeah. We also have, this is the connectivity to the electricity and to the ring light, yeah. So here it is, it's quite long. And, what have I not shown you? I don't think there's anything else. So there's also a shutter, a camera shutter. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It should be here somewhere. Yes, here it is. So when you want to take photos with your phone and you're using your phone, you can use this camera shutter to take your photos. You don't need to extend your hand to the camera and take the photo. It just does the job for you, all right? So I'm going to show you after a while how to connect them all, how to play around with them all, what goes where. I am so excited, and then I show you how it looks like when I'm using. Once again, thank you so much to you who reached out to me. Yes, you can always support me when you. I'm just grateful generally, and may God richly bless you, and what you gave me, may He increase your pockets more and more. Yes, you can be a part of my of this channel. You can be part of my ministry. Just support my ministry. I'll give in the description section. Excuse me. In the description section, I'll show you. I'll share the details of how you can be of support. I will really appreciate. There are so many things that we need to do, and there are so many things that we need to purchase so that we continue and go to the next level with this channel and with this ministry. So please be a part of it. I will really appreciate so much. Okay, so let's get to it.